Hey guys, I'm so happy. My name is Oka again, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'm a Nigerian based fashion designer and a self taught fashion illustrator. I learned how to sew the basics to learn how to sew, and then I did more research to the advanced level. And I'm a self taught fashion illustrator. I've always wanted to sew my own dresses. And I know that there are people here, you want to create something for yourself. Yes, this is the channel. I'll be teaching you from beginners level to intermediate to advanced for fashion illustrator, for fashion illustration and for fashion designing. So if you want to learn at your own pace, yes, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my channel. If you like my smile, yeah, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.